This is how you sign win. Okay, we're going to use both hands. Now I'm right-handed, so my non-dominant hand, my left hand, I'm going to make a fist. All right, just like that. We could say it's the letter S in the alphabet. Like you're putting up your dukes, it's an S, it's a fist. Now take that fist, put it right here. That's my non-dominant hand. With my right hand, my dominant hand, I'm going to start over here, palm facing in. It's just a loose hand right there, fingers apart. Now I'm going to come down and swipe whatever's right here. We can pretend there's like a little mini trophy because there's a trophy over there. Why not? So we're up here, we come down and we swipe it. And then we come up and we end in a fist. Like we're grabbing, we're holding on onto that little mini trophy because we win. 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 From the side. Win. From the other side. Win. All right, from the front again. Win. All right, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Win. 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 Okay, so this was the sign for win. Remember, both hands, non-dominant hand, make that platform with the fist right here. Dominant hand, you're going to grab that little trophy on top. So we have win. Okay, that was the sign for win. Here's how we sign lose. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed. Non-dominant hand for me, my left hand. I'm going to make this hand shape. Fingers here, spread apart, put them together, thumb alongside. Now we're going to put it here. That's our platform. With your right hand, if your dominant hand is right hand, mine's right hand, we're going to make the letter V, all right? Like in the alphabet, U, V, W. Remember, fingers together is a U, fingers apart, that is a V. It's just a peace sign, right? Now take that V, we're going to use this part, and we're going to smack it down on top of our open palm. Lose. Lose. From the side. Lose. Other side. From the front again. Lose. All right, so starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Lose. Okay, quick reminder. Now, when we talk about lose here, we're not talking about lose your keys, lose your money, something like that. We're talking about lose a game. For example, chess, a competition, something where you're trying to win, right? It's the opposite of win. If you want to say lose your keys, the sign for that would be like this. Like you lose your money, you lose your keys, lose. But we're talking about lose as in a game, a competition. So we're going to go like this. Now, most people aren't too happy when they lose, so you can put it in your face to help describe the situation. Lose. Put so much energy in and lose. Okay, quick review. Remember, non-dominant hand, make that platform. Dominant hand, make a V, and just stick it down on top. That's the sign for lose. Here is how you sign cheat. Okay, we're going to use both hands and an elbow. I'm right-handed, so with my non-dominant hand, I'm going to go like this, make this hand shape, fingers together, thumb alongside. Now I'm going to put it over here so that my arm is down in front of me, my elbow is right here. With my dominant hand, for me, my right hand, I'm going to make the horns. Or we could say like heavy metal, you're like rocking, right? That hand shape right there. Or you can just go like this, middle 2 fingers down, and the thumb in front. Okay, like that. Now we're going to use the ridge part, and we're going to rub twice at our elbow. All right, we're going to actually touch. So all together, it's cheat. Cheat. From the side, cheat. Other side, cheat. All right, from the front again, cheat. All right, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Cheat. Cheat. Okay, a few things. First, when you're going like this, if you make a fist or your hand's kind of loose, it's not a big deal. I just try to be consistent with this hand shape right here. Main thing is that you're going like this down here. Cheat. All right, facial expression. People, when they find out, oh, they were cheating, cheat. Put it in your face, help describe the situation, and send the message. Now, cheat has multiple versions of how to sign this concept in American Sign Language. So we just did the cheat with the horns, or we could say the heavy metal, cheat. I've also seen it with an index finger, all right, still using the ridge, 1, 2, down there, cheat. All right, another way I've seen is with your non-dominant hand, make this hand shape. It's kind of like a B, but put the B out. Put it right here. Now make a V and go 1, 2. Cheat. All right, yet another way is with index fingers. 1 down here, 1 on your nose, kind of swivel a little bit, and then go like that. Cheat. Yet another way, index fingers again, starting up here, but now we're going to change into a V and kind of skewer our index finger. Cheat. All right, so let's see if I can remember all of those. We have cheat, we have cheat, we have cheat, we have cheat, and we have cheat. To be consistent throughout in this course, when you see me signing cheat, I'll be using the horns version. All right, so cheat. Quick review, make sure you use both hands. Non-dominant hand, like that in front. Dominant hand, making it like this, use the ridge, go 1, 2. So we have cheat. Here is the sign for steal. Okay, we're going to use both hands. Now I'm right-handed, so with my non-dominant hand, first I'm just going to make a fist. Now I'm going to lay down my arm here so that it's slightly at an angle, and my elbow's down here. Okay, with my dominant hand, I'm going to make the letter V, like in the alphabet, U-V-W, V. How do you make a V? Well, start like this, pinky, ring finger down, thumb on top of the ring finger. Now leave the index finger and the middle finger apart, like it's a peace sign, right? That's V. Put it together, that's a U. We don't want a U, we want a V. Okay, now take the inside or the side part of the index finger, lightly touch your elbow, and now we're gonna pull back. And as you pull back, you're gonna bend the bunny ears, you're gonna bend the fingers. All right? Steal. Steal. And it's usually a quick motion because just think about if someone steals something, they're not going to go slow motion and increase their risk of getting caught. They're going to do it quick, right? So just go steal. From the side, steal. Other side, steal. From the front again, steal. Okay, from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Steal. Steal. Okay, so I have seen a variation to this sign, okay? So with the non-dominant hand, instead of going like this, I've seen it where they use this hand shape and they go like this. Now the dominant hand stays the same with the V. It goes underneath and it pulls back. So it's the same motion, just straight in front and pulling it in. So, steal. Now you may see that variation depending on where you're from and how your local deaf community signs it. To be consistent in this course, whenever you see me signing steal, I'm going to sign it like this. Okay, quick review. Non-dominant hand, put it up like this, elbow down here. Dominant hand, we're going to use the V. Take the side of the index finger, lightly touch your elbow and pull it up. And when you pull it up, straight fingers become curved fingers. The bunny ears bend down. All right, so we have steal. Okay, good. We just talked about how to sign steal. My son and I wanted to learn some signs in ASL, and this is perfect. We hope to continue and keep learning more and more. Thanks for such clear instructions and perfect amount of repetition. Julie left this review for our first 120 Basic Signs course. Lots of content in this course. You're going to learn signs from scratch, literally from scratch. Hand shape, hand position, hand motion. I'll show you the signs from the front, from the side, from the other side, and make sure that you can get all angles and that you really know the signs well. Now, the point is to be able to sign these whenever, and if you don't understand, the mechanics behind the sign, well, it hurts your ability to be able to remember it and sign it in the future. So we take our time in this course, make sure you really know the signs. And then we test you. Review and testing, 2 parts. Make sure you can sign the signs and also understand them when someone's signing to you. Very important. Okay, this is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. It's an online bundle. Access it whenever you want, whenever it fits your schedule. We know everyone is busy and we can't always go to a live in-person class. That would be optimal, right? Immersion in a deaf class in the deaf community, that would be optimal. But life happens and busy skills are, it's difficult to fit everything in that we want to. Well, this is online, 24 hours a day access, whether it's wee hours of the morning, after the kids go to bed, at work, at your lunchtime, whenever you can make progress and continue to improve your skills. And even if you have a live in-person sign language class with a deaf instructor, a signer, interpreter, someone who's from the deaf community, well, you can use this stuff to boost your ability and boost your skills before you even get to the lesson. Okay, go to avalingo.com. Check out our stuff, take your time, no rush. The important thing, very important, often overlooked, make sure that the teaching style of the instructor fits and matches well with your learning style. There's a lot of content out there to choose from online. Lots of stuff, and it's wonderful. It's literally a buffet of options. So whether or not you choose me as your instructor, you choose someone else, make sure there's a connection, that it fits with you. It's just going to make you a more effective learner. It's going to make your journey more enjoyable. The content that you're learning, it's going to stick in your brain. You're going to be like, yeah, I remember it. And then you get out into the real world, random life situation, whatever it is, it's more likely to stick in your brain if you enjoyed the learning journey. Okay, Julie, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.